Hi there, students. To blag and a blagger. Now, these two words are very, very British, and I've been watching these because when I was a kid, a blagger or to blag was somebody who goes into a bank with a sawn-off shotgun, points it at the cashier and says, "Give me your money." So a bank robber. Bank robbers were blaggers. Blaggers go to prison for 20 years. They committed a blag. It doesn't have to be a bank. It could be a post office. Ronnie Biggs and his friends did a blag on the post train. But nowadays, this word is changing. To blag means to persuade somebody to do something, but using the gift of the gab, meaning slightly dishonest. So, have you ever blagged your way into a party where you weren't invited? Yeah, you go to the door, you say in through the door, "I'm a friend of John's." Yeah, who the hell's John? Nobody's going to know. Or to blag your way into a concert, yeah, is to lie a little bit, to use your silver tongue to get into somewhere or to get somebody to give you something. So I blagged my way into getting free beer all night. Okay, so to blag, this is where you've got the gift of the gab. It's where you talk about something in a clever way, maybe slightly dishonest, a few little pertinent lies, and you can blag your way anywhere. He tried to blag me out of 15 quid, but I said no. Okay, so to blag, this is to trick somebody, to bamboozle them, to wheedle, to cadge. He blagged some free tickets for the concert. Okay, so to blag. Let's see, originally this was a wages snatch, for example, or a robbery in a post office. This is armed robbery, or maybe with pickaxe handles or something like that. But clearly this has changed, and now a blagger is somebody who persuades people to do things. They blag their way into something. They blag something out of somebody. Okay, so you're persuading people by using smart talk, by using intelligent words. Yeah, you're touching somebody for something. A blagger, a con artist, a fraudster, a scammer, some sort of swindler or charlatan. Yeah, a trickster. So you can't really you can't trust a blagger. Don't bother trying to blag your way into the concert. You pay like everyone else, 10 quid. He tried in vain to blag some of my sweets off me. Or you blag a meeting with somebody who is important. So you blag concert tickets. You persuade somebody to give you something for free. You blag your way backstage during a concert. Or you blag your way to the after party. Yeah, so you're wheedling, you're cadging, you're talking to people. But to me, in the old-fashioned meaning of a blag, is robbery with violence, armed robbery. An armed blagger. Blaggers are very serious people. They steal a lot of money, but they can be pretty dangerous. But nowadays, to blag, to cadge something off people, to get something by cheating. Okay, so, and that's to blag. Both of these meanings, the old one and the new one, these are very informal. 3 informality. 3.5 at a maximum, using an informal conversation. I don't think I would use them anymore. And then as to origin, bull. Okay, I honestly don't know. I would be quite interested if anybody's got any good ideas for the origin of blag. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blag Blagger.